Conditionally disable caching decorator based on instance variable. I want to cache certain methods of a class, but only if a read_only flag is set on the instance of the class. So, in the object below, I want the get method to be cacheable, but only if self.readOnly is true. I can't conditionally use the decorator, because it's set when the class is defined, not when it's instantiated.
You can use a decorator to call the right, cached or not, function checking the desired attribute. Use like this.